All right, Miss Porter, just relax your shoulders. Let your head be heavy in my hands. Good. Breathe in. And out. There it is. Whoa! Miss Porter? Hang on.
Okay.
I got you.
You sure this is safe, honey?
Totally safe. Big breath in for me.
Okay.
Let it out. And here we go. Oh, landed in another room. You all right? All right, Miss Miller. Big breath in and out. I'm just going to lift and give you a little squeeze.
Okay. Okay.
1, 2, 3, and up.
Oh, my back.
Just relax your shoulders for me, okay?
I'm trying. I'm a little nervous.
You'll be fine. Deep breath in and out. Here we go.
Oh,
Oh, no, Mrs. Carver?